Hey, so a 50-year mortgage is a horrible idea, and I'm gonna tell you why. You should know this. So the 30-year mortgage, it wasn't always the norm. It was actually created back during the Great Depression as a way for Americans to be able to afford to buy homes without drowning in debt. Because before that, mortgages were like 5 years old. So you had to have like hella money to be able to buy any kind of property. So in comes the 30-year mortgage. I have a 30-year mortgage now. I'm 32 years old. My house will be paid off in my early 60s, which is before I retire, if everything goes well. So a 30-year mortgage is freaking reasonable. But let me tell you why a 50-year mortgage is stupid. Mind you, I'm not being political at all. This is literally just math. See, Japan already tried to do this. Back in the 80s, Japan's economy was doing real bad. Kind of like another huge empire might be doing now. Yeah, housing prices exploded. The banks exploded in Japan at the time. So they decided, hey, let's do 50-year mortgages. Or, I don't know, 100-year mortgages that your kids inherit when you die.
Congratulations, I have no family heirlooms to leave you. Let me just go ahead and leave you my debt.
The idea is that the home cost will keep rising year after year after year and eventually be worth a ton. But that's not necessarily freaking true, dude. Because see what happened in Japan is their economy crashed. So all these houses that people had these 50, 100-year mortgages on dropped in value, so they were underwater on all of those loans. People literally went bankrupt for houses that their grandparents owned. So a 50-year mortgage isn't affordable housing. A 50-year mortgage is basically giving the bank your freaking bloodline. Don't do that. Do not get a 50-year mortgage. A 30-year mortgage? Great. You can pay that off in your lifetime and your children don't inherit your debt. 100-year mortgage? I'm scared, brother. I'm not even gonna do a good night, my precious, because this shit makes my skin itch.